Hear a rhythmic thumping while driving? That unusual sound could mean your tire has a broken belt requiring immediate attention. A tire's internal steel belts keep the tread stable. When they separate, strange noises and vibrations often begin immediately. Driving on a tire with belt separation can reduce handling, increase vibration, and raise the risk of sudden tire failure. Most drivers notice a rhythmic thumping, helicopter-like humming, or repeating slap that becomes louder as vehicle speed increases steadily. A separated belt creates an uneven tread surface, causing the tire to strike the road differently during every wheel rotation. Unlike engine problems, this sound follows wheel speed, often remaining even when you briefly shift into neutral safely. Watch for steering wheel vibration, uneven tread wear, visible tire bulges, or a wobbling sensation while driving at speed. If you suspect belt separation, slow down, avoid unnecessary driving, and have the tire professionally inspected or replaced immediately. Never ignore repeating tire noises because early diagnosis can prevent expensive repairs and help keep everyone on the road safer. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe, share this video, and comment if you've ever experienced a broken tire belt sound.